Hey, how are you? Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how snoring affects sleep quality. Snoring can have a significant impact on both the quality of a person's sleep and the sleep quality of their bed partner. When a person snores, they may experience sleep fragmentation. Snoring can interrupt sleep and cause sleep fragmentation, meaning the person is not getting continuous and restorative sleep. Insomnia. Snoring can lead to insomnia in some people as it can be difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep with the noise of snoring. Daytime fatigue and sleepiness. Sleep fragmentation and sleep interruption can lead to daytime fatigue and sleepiness, which can affect productivity and safety during daily activities. Difficulty concentrating. Interrupted sleep can affect the ability to concentrate and cognition during the day. Irritability and mood changes. Inadequate sleep can lead to irritability and mood changes. Health problems. Chronic snoring can increase the risk of developing health problems such as hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, and diabetes. Additionally, snoring can negatively affect the sleep of bed partners, who may also experience sleep fragmentation, insomnia, fatigue, and daytime sleepiness. It is important to treat snoring to improve sleep quality and overall health. If you want to know the causes and possible treatments for snoring, click on the links in the comments. Remember, health is essential.